number 1. Okay, find the ratio of first number to second number. Okay, find the ratio of first number to second number in the reduced form. reड्यूस फॉर्म में भी लिखना है. ये प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 4.1. practice set 4.1. now you see under that first 170 to 16. Okay, so now yes, here we have to find out the ratio. Now write down the solution. So here first number is 72 and second number is 60. So ratio of 72 to 60, ratio of 72 to 60, this is equals to, now because here we have to find out the ratio of first number to second number, so 72 upon 60. So here we have to cancel out 72 by the 60. So now we have to find out the number which divide the 72 as well as 60. तो now yes, biggest number is 12. बिगेस्ट नंबर क्या है 12 है. तो 12 12 6 जा 72, 12 5 जा 60. नाउ yes we got the 6 upon 5. now 6 and 5 cannot be further divided, so this is the reduced form. okay, ये रेशियो का क्या है, reduced form. understood? दिस इज रिटन एज 6:5. तो ये जो कॉलन है बीच में इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं, इज टू. तो 6:5. okay, in this way you have to find out the ratio of the other questions. okay, now see the second one, 38 comma 57. so these are the pairs of numbers. okay, here we have to find out the ratio of the first number to second number. now see the solution. okay, ratio of 38 to 57. so this is equals to 38 upon 57. now see, yes, this is divided by the 19. okay, the biggest number which divide the 38 and 57 is 19. so 19 2 is 38, 19 3 is 57. so this is equals to 2 upon 3. okay, 2 upon 3. so what you have got here, 2:3. write down the answer, 2:3. understood? okay, so for finding the ratio, both should be in same quantity. दोनों एक ही क्वांटिटी में होना चाहिए. मैडम को कॉल लगाओ ना, मेरे पे कॉल आ रहा है, कॉल लगा देना तो मुझे. now yes, third one. see the third one. थर्ड देखो अभी 52 कॉमा 78. नाउ एक सॉल्यूशन, इसका सॉल्यूशन देखो. तो रेशियो ऑफ 52 to 78. रेशियो ऑफ 52 to 78. now yes, write down 52 upon 78. okay, so yes, find out the biggest number. okay, which divide the 52 as well as the 78. to 13. okay, 13 4 ja 52, 13 6 ja Okay, 13 4 ja 52 and 13 6 ja 78. Now you see you got the 4 upon 6. Now this 2 divides the 2 4 as well as 3 6. So 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. So here we got the ratio 2:3. क्या मिला हम लोगों को? 2:3. Understood? Okay, now write down the answer. Answer 2:3. 2:3. Now see the next question. Find the ratio of first quantity to second quantity. Question number 2. Find the ratio of first quantity to the second quantity in the reduced form. हो जाएगा ना, तो जैसा अभी 10वीं का बनाए ना एक्सेल शीट, वैसा से वो 4 बच्चों का उनका पूरा। Understood? Okay. Now you see the first one. 7 rupees 700 to rupees 308. Now yes, both are in the same quantity. Okay, rupees and rupees. So here there is no need to convert into the same quantity because it is already in the same quantity, because yes, this number is represented by the unit rupees and this number is also represented by the unit rupees. दोनों rupees rupees में है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, हम लोगों को कुछ कन्वर्जन करना नहीं है. नाउ सी द सॉल्यूशन. तो क्या लिखोगे इधर? रेशियो ऑफ ब्लर क्यों आ रहा है? तो क्या है ये? रेशियो ऑफ 700 to rupees 700 to rupees 308. So this is equals to 700 upon 308. 700 upon 308. Now you see, let's divide with the numbers 2, because yes, unit place having the 0 and unit place having the 8. So this can be cancelled out. This can be cancelled out using the 2 also. Okay, now when you divide it by 2, the number of steps will increase but your answer will be same. So doesn't matter, yes, you are dividing in one step or you are dividing in 2 or 3 steps. Okay, remember that. So when you divide by 2 or yes 4, let's check out that it is divisible by 4 or not. 4 7 ja 28. Now yes, remainder is 2. 2 and 8 become 28. 4 7 ja 28, and this number, okay, 4 1 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28, remainder is 2. Now yes, this will become 30. So 30 can be yes, 4 1 ja 4, okay, 30. 4 7 ja 28, remainder is 2. 2 become 20. 4 5 ja 20. So this can be divided by 4 also. So let's divide with the 4, because yes, we do not yes know that yes which biggest number will divide this, and to find out which number biggest number divide both the number, it means you have to find out the MCM निकालना पड़ेगा. HCF और हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा आपको, अगर ऐसा फाइंड आउट करना है तो क्या करेंगे? ऐसे अगर हम लोगों को नहीं पता चलता तो क्या करेंगे? स्मॉलर नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे, छोटे छोटे नंबर से पहले डिवाइड कर लेंगे हम लोग. ब्लर दिख रहा है, अभी तक सही दिखता था. Okay, now yes, it is divisible by 4. तो क्या हो जाएगा, 4 1 जा 4. Now yes, remainder is 3. 3 and 0 become 30. 3 and 0 become 30. 4 7 ja 28. Now remainder is 2. 2 and 0 become 20. 4 5 ja 20. So here we got 175. And here 4 7 ja 28. Now remainder is 2. 2 and 8 become 28. So 4 7 ja 28. Now yes, 175 upon 77. Now we know that the 77 is divisible by 77 is divisible by 11. So let's check that this is divisible by 11 or not. 11 से divisible है क्या नहीं, अब चेक करेंगे हम लोग. क्या करेंगे, 11 से divisible check out करो. Okay, so now yes, 11 1 जा 11. Now what is the remainder here? Remainder क्या बचेगा, 6. 6 and 5 become 65. 65 हो जाएगा. And 11 7 जा 77. And this is divisible by 5, but this is not divisible by 5. This is divisible by 7. And let's check this is divisible by 7 or not. 7 7 7 to the 14. Now 14. 3 7 5 ja 35. So now these two numbers are divisible by 7. So 7 1 ja 7. 7 1 ja 7. 7 to the 14. Now yes, remainder is 3. 3 and 5 become 35. 7 5 ja 35. So this is equals to 25 upon 11. Okay, so this is equals to 25 is to 11. Okay, understood. Now write down the answer. 25 is to 11. Now see the second one. Second देखो अभी, rupees 14 comma rupees 12. क्या लिखा हुआ है, yes, rupees 14 and rupees 40 12 and 40 comma 40 पैसा. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिखाई दे रहा है, 14 रुपीज एंड हियर 12 रुपीज एंड 40 पैसे. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को, सेम क्वांटिटी में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. नाउ ये हियर स्मॉलर क्वांटिटी इज पैसा सॉरी. तो दैट्स व्हाई हियर वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट द बिगर क्वांटिटी इनटू द स्मॉलर वन. तो नाउ सी द सॉल्यूशन, rupees 14. Now yes, we know that yes, 1 rupees is equals to 100 पैसे. तो क्या हो जाएगा, 14 रुपीज इज इक्वल्स टू 14 इंटू 100 इज इक्वल्स टू 1400 पैसे. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. नाउ यस 12 रुपीज 12 comma 40 पैसे. तो कन्वर्ट दिस also into the पैसे. तो नाउ यस 12 into 100 plus 40, because yes, here there is a 12 rupees, no, so first we will convert the 12 into paise. So this is equals to 12 into 100 is equals to 1200 paise plus 40 paise is equals to 1240 paise. ये क्लियर हो गया. क्या किया हम लोगों ने, इसको कन्वर्ट कर लिया पैसे में. नाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट द रेशो ऑफ 1400 पैसे टू 1240 पैसे. So this is equals to 1400 upon 1240. Okay, now first cancel out 0 0, 1 1 0 get cancelled. Now yes, what is left, 140 upon 124. अब इन दोनों को कैंसिल करना है हम लोगों को, किसको, 140 एंड 124 को. तो लेट्स चेक दैट बोथ नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाय 4. दोनों 4 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है. 4 3 जा 12, 4 3 जा 12. नाउ व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, 2 and 0 become 20. 4 5 ja 20. And here 4 3 are 12 and 4 1 are 4. So yes, it is divisible by 4. So let's divide with the 4. Okay, 4 3 are 12, 4 5 are 20 and 4 3 are 12, 4 1 are 4. So this equals to 35 upon 31. Now yes, 35 is divisible by 7, but yes, this 31 is the prime number. This will not divisible by the yes others number. So that's why the ratio will be 3 is to 5. So क्या मिल गया? Sorry, 35 is to 31. Now write down the answer. 35 is to 31. It's clear now. So whenever there are the different quantities, that time you have to yes convert into the same quantity. उसको same quantity में convert करने के बाद ही solve कर सकते हो. Okay. Now yes, question number yes third. 5 liter and 2500 ml. So yes, this is homework. Now yes, I have explained the question 1 and 2. Now in question 3, you have to convert the 5 liter into the yes milliliters. Okay, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay, then you find out. Okay, now let's see the fourth one. Third one is the homework for you. Okay, now yes, question number 3 homework. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 3 year 4 month, 3 years 4 month, comma 5 years 8 months. Okay, now here quantities are different. क्या डिफरेंट दिया है? ईयर एंड मंथ बोथ आर गिवन. ईयर एंड मंथ बोथ आर गिवन हियर. तो हम लोगों को क्या करना है? यस, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू द वन क्वांटिटी. So now here smaller one is the month. So that's why years will be converted into the month. Now yes, we know that 1 year is equals to 1 years is equals to 12 months. Okay. So therefore 3 years 4 months is equals to 3 into 12 plus 4. Okay, 3 into 12 plus 4. So this is equals 12 3 are 36. 36 plus 4 is equals to 40. So this will be this become the 40 months. Okay. Similarly, yes, 5 year and 8 months. Okay. So 5 into 12 plus 8. So 12 5 is 60. 60 plus 8 equals to 68 months. Okay. It's clear now how to convert into the yes smaller quantity. So remember this. Okay, now find out the ratio. Here we have to find out the ratio of what? First quantity to second quantity. So ratio of 40 months to 68 months. This is equals to 40 upon 68. Okay. Now see, this is divisible by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 1 ja 4. Now yes, 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. 2 and it become 28. 4 7 ja 28. 4 7 ja 28. So this is equals to 10 upon 47. Now yes, 2 is divisible by 2 and 5. But 47 is not divisible by 2 and 5. So that's why here we have to left it. यहाँ पे left करना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को. इस यहाँ पे क्या मिल गया हम लोगों को? Yes, 10 and yes below of that 17 and 17 is the prime number. So that's why this ratio is equals to 10 is to 17. Now write down the answer. 10 is to 17. It's clear now. Now question number 5, that is 3.8 kg and 1900 grams. This is homework. Okay, ये भी homework है. ये first one है. Fourth और fifth is homework. Now yes, 3.8 kilogram and 1900 grams are given. So first you convert the 3.8 gram in kilogram into the gram. So you have to multiply 3.8 with the 1000. So this will give you the 3800 grams. Then you have to find out the ratio. Now see the sixth one. सिक्स वन करना है हम लोगों को। 3.8 kg है ना ये जो क्वेश्चन में, तो 3.8 इंटू क्या करोगे 1000, तो क्या मिलेगा 3800 ग्राम, और उसके बाद में क्या है 1900 ग्राम से इसका रेशियो तुम लोग फाइंड आउट कर लोगे। ये इतना मैंने क्या किया तुमको हिंट दे दिया है। ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखो, ऑब्जर्व करो क्या है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। 7 minutes 20 second, 5 minutes 6 second, 7 minute 20 second and 5 minutes 6 second. Now see, if the quantities are not in same unit, यहाँ पे quantities same units में नहीं है, so that's why we have to convert into the same unit. Here minute and seconds are given, so second is smaller quantity, that's why yes convert into the second. So now see the solution of it. 7 minute 20 second, this is equals to, now we know that yes 1 minute is equals to 60 second, so that's why 7 into 60 plus 20. ओके, क्या करना पड़ेगा जो मिनट्स में है उसको सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 60 से मल्टीप्लाई, बिकॉज वी नो दैट 1 मिनट इज इक्वल्स टू 60 सेकेंड्स। तो 6 7 7 6 जा 42, 42 एंड 7 0 जा 0, तो क्या मिलेगा हम लोगों को 420, 420 प्लस 20 इज इक्वल्स टू 440। ओके, 7 6 जा 42 and 4 0 जा 7 0 जा 0, तो 420 plus 20 is equals to 440 minutes. Okay, now similarly 5 minutes 6 second, so this is equals to 5 into 60 plus 6, so now 6 5 ja 30, okay, and 5 zeros are 0, so 300 seconds plus 6 second is equals to 306 second. ये भी किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया सेकेंड्स में। अब क्या करेंगे ये रेशियो फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे, किसका किसका रेशियो, फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी टू सेकंड क्वांटिटी, इसका रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है हम लोगों को यहाँ पे। ओके, नाउ सी रेशियो ऑफ 440 सेकेंड टू 306 सेकेंड is equals to 440 upon 306. Okay, now check out which numbers divide both the numbers, किस कौन सा नंबर इन दोनों को डिवाइड करता है वो चेकआउट करो। ओके, तो यस ट्राई विद द स्मॉलर नंबर। ओके, हमेशा क्या करो स्मॉलर नंबर से डिवाइड करने का कोशिश करो पहले, तो क्या होगा यस नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स विल बी मोर। नाउ यस सी यस इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, तो 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4, 2 0 जा 0, 2 1 जा 2 and remainder is 1, 1 and 0 become 10, 2 5 जा 10, 2 3 जा 6, 220 upon 153, 220 upon 153. Now yes 153 is the prime number and this is divisible by only 153, and the number which is present in the numerator is the 220, so this 220 is not divisible by 153, so that's why this will be the ratio, so 220 is to 153. Okay, now write down the answer, 220 is to 153. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट, ये समझ में आ गया ये रेशो कैसे हम लोगों को रेशो फाइंड आउट करना है। नाउ वी विल सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखेंगे अभी हम लोग, जो मेन क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, express the following percentage as ratio in the reduced form, express the following, express the following percentage as ratio in the reduced form. ओके तो जो रेशियो है, रेशियो को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है हम लोगों को, सॉरी परसेंटेज को रेशियो के रिड्यूस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके नाउ सी द फर्स्ट वन 72 comma 100 75 comma 100 its solution. Now yes, whenever yes any number having the denominator 100 it means it is the percentage. तो वो क्या होता है, उसका परसेंटेज होता है. तो नाउ सी 75 upon 100. So now this is equals to 25 3 ja 75 and 25 4 ja 100. So now 25 get cancelled. So you got the 3 upon 4. Or you can yes directly divide the 75 upon 100 by 25. So 25 3 ja 75 and 25 4 ja 100. So this is equals to 3 is to 4. So what we have got here 3 is to 4 means 75% is 3 is to 4. ये क्या होगा 75% का मतलब क्या होता है 3 is to 4. Okay, its answer 3 is to 4. Now see the next one, second one. Second one is the 44 comma 100. अब इसका भी क्या होगा, this is equals to 44 is to 100 is there, so this is equals to 44 upon 100. Okay, now is 44 upon 100. Yes, this is divisible by the 4. Both numbers are divisible by 4, so divide by the 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. 2 and 0 become 20. 4 5 are 20. So this is 11 upon 25 and this is equals to 11 is to 25. It's clear now. अब क्या मिला हम लोगों को यहाँ पे 11 is to 25. So write down the answer. आंसर में क्या होगा 11 is to 25. It's clear now. How to convert the yes percentage into the ratio form. रेशियो के फॉर्म में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है. Now yes next one 6.25%. नेक्स्ट वन क्या है 6.25%. third one is 6.25%. now see this symbol, this symbols the represent that yes this denominator having the 100. ये जो परसेंटेज का सिंबल है वो क्या हम लोगों को रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि जो नंबर्स है उस नंबर के नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है 100 है, ये हम लोगों को शो करता है. तो नाउ सी इट्स सॉल्यूशन 6.25%. so this is equals to 6.25 upon 100. okay now we have to convert this into the reduced form. इसको हम लोगों को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है reduced form में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को yes now yes this decimal point is there. okay and we have to first remove this decimal point. So now yes after the decimal point there are the 2 digits and whenever there is a 2 digit we have to multiply with the 100. So now yes multiply both the numerator as well denominator by the 100. So this is multiplied by 100 and this is also multiplied by 100. So this will get converted into the 625 and this will get converted into the 10,000. okay so that's why I have written in the form of 100 and 100. Now see 625 is divisible by 25 and 100 is also divisible by 25. okay 25 से divisible है. तो 25 4 जा 100 and 25 1 जा 25, 25 2 जा 50. Now yes 62 minus 50 is equals to 12. 12 and this 5 will become 125. So 25 5 जा 25 5 जा 125. okay नाउ सी दिस 25 एंड दिस 100, ये जो 25 है और ये 100 देखो, 25 1 जा 25, 25 4 जा 100. नाउ ये सी न्यूमरेटर वी हैव 1 and in denominator we have 4 into 4, so 4 into 4 is equals to 16. So here the ratio is 1 is to 16. क्या मिला हम लोगों को रेशो? 1 is to 16. बच्चों को शो करते ना उसमें अमाउंट नहीं दिखाते, इसमें दिखाते हैं प्रिंट नहीं निकालनी, एडिट करो. It's clear now. So this is the 1 is to 16. Okay. Now yes, fourth and fourth one is the homework. फोर्थ वन इज द होमवर्क. चौथा जो है आपके लिए होमवर्क का है.